Hi, welcome to Jivana's Giant Chair. Do subscribe, like, share, comment, and support our channel.
Let us see how to write notice. Notice writing.
The term notice means the fact of observing or paying attention to something. Usually, notice will be on the notice board. Notice boards are boards which are used to display some information. When an information should be given to all at the same time, if we can't give it to each in person, we can use this notice board. All would have seen this notice board. Do you remember when and what did you see in the notice board? Sure, it might be some information. Thus, notice board is broadly used to post some messages, announce some events, or to provide some information. Let us see how to write notice, which is notice writing. Here, notice it is a written or printed announcement, also a means of formal communication targeted at a group of people. It is written in order to inform people about an event or activity, which can be a competition, an exhibition, a meeting, an inauguration, or an excursion, a function, or even general instructions that to take place in near future. Generally, this notice is written in formal tone, which is used for business, academic, or professional purpose, and it should be clear to the point, which means unnecessary point should be avoided, and the language should be simple and formal. Let us see how to write a notice here, and some points are there to have in mind while writing this notice. We saw it should be brief to the point, so the ideal length of a notice is only 50 words. Use only relevant points that are needed to be included. Then, proper format should be presented. Better using passive voice to write in notice. And mainly, avoid writing pronouns like I and we. Personal pronouns I and we. Let us see the format of writing notice now. First step, we have to draw a box. Then, name and place of the school or an organization should be mentioned. Next to that, write the word notice in the middle. After that, write the date of issuing notice on the left hand side. Then, give an appropriate heading. This heading is to introduce the subject of the notice. After that, the main part, body of the notice, that is the purpose of writing notice. Here, in this body of the notice, we can mention the answers for the questions: what is the notice about, who it is addressed to, where is the event going to be held, when is the event going to happen, whom to contact or to get in touch with, and mainly the instructions that are related to the notice. These are the things in the body of the letter we can mention. So, mention all the relevant details like date, venue, and time also. After that, finally, signature with a name and designation should be included. Let name be in block letters. After that, now let us see one example for writing notice. The question is, prepare a notice to be displayed on your school notice board about the upcoming annual day celebration. So first thing, a box. Then name of the school with place. After that, the term notice should be mentioned. Then date. You shall use this format of writing date, like date, month, and year. After that, The heading we have to give. Here I have given annual day celebration like that. Now we shall write the content. See, this is to inform all the students that our school's annual day function will be held on 31st May from 3 pm to 7 pm at the auditorium. The collector of our district will grace the occasion as the chief guest. So all are asked to come at the correct time with a proper uniform. For further details, contact the undersigned. Then the name, signature, name, and then the designation, school pupil leader, like that we shall write. That's all writing notice. So now it is time to revise. Here are some points to remember. First thing, a notice should be brief to the point. Next, the language, which should be formal, and always enclose the notice in a box. Then mention the purpose of writing clearly, and the notice should include all the necessary details like school name, notice, date, heading, and then the content, then proper closure also. After those are the things, finally complete your notice writing the signature with designation. That's all, notice writing.